So guys, for the first method, you want to make sure that your laptop is turned off. Then you want to hold on the laptop power button for 30 seconds. Hold it for 30 seconds and don't let go. After 30 seconds, you want to turn your laptop on again and then see if it lets you charge your laptop battery. For the second method, there may be a laptop reset hole with a battery disconnection symbol. It might be under your laptop or it might be on the side of your laptop depending on your laptop model. Not every laptop will have this though, but check if your one does. You can use a paper clip or the pin that's used to take out SIM cards from your phone. You can then press on the reset hole using a paper clip or the SIM card remover. And if you can feel a click, you can hold it for like 15 seconds or 30 seconds. Then you want to see if that works. Try to charge your laptop, see if that works. For the third method, if you're using an older laptop, it may have a removable battery. So on the bottom of your laptop, you can use a screwdriver to remove the back of your laptop and then take out the battery. Once you take out the laptop battery, you want to hold on the laptop power button for about 30 seconds. Then you want to put your laptop battery back in. It should then let you charge your laptop again. If it's still not working, I would recommend taking your laptop to a PC repair shop.